Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video, I'm going to use the January collection of the 365 documented line from the Cut Shop. And this is the last page of the 2020 album. I'm just trying to work on past albums since I have quite a few spreads in 2019 and 2020. I think I have 7 or 8 in each album, and I want to get those done. So these are since I do Project Life, these are just a few leftover photos, and this is sort of a meme as a final figure of a dumpster on fire, and it says 2020 mascot. And you were there, you know how that was working out. So I decided to add that in the album. I'm also going to use these Everyday Explorer stamps, and I'm going to have the items that I use linked below. Some of them are affiliate links. You don't have to use them, but they do help a lot, and I'm very grateful to those of you who use them. I also always pick I have a lot of washi tape. If you're a follower, you know, you've seen. So whenever I have a new collection, a new kit, I do like to pick. I try to limit myself, but I love washi tape, so I try to pick from 5 to 8 washi tapes that go with the colors of this collection. I also was using those stickers because they had that peach color that match the kit. There's also a lot of blue. And I use a Studio Calico kit, and I can't remember which one it was, but I will have it linked below. And I know that those labels are beautiful. I love labels. Those labels came from that kit, and I thought that this sentiment that says barely survived this year was perfect for it. I want to say that it was November, but I'm not really sure. And I use this card. I love this card, the little format that you can use to journal. And I just added some journaling with my typewriter. I was afraid that I wasn't going to have enough space in a few of the squares if I use my handwriting. I wasn't absolutely happy with how that a little bit of everyday magic turned out. I was trying to cover it at first, but I got over it. It's not bad. I was just being picky. I love that star embellishment that came in the kit. So I cut that out with my silhouette in a bunch of sizes, and it's one of my favorite things about using digital lines. By the way, the Cut Shop is all digital lines, which is perfect for people who live outside of the US and don't want to pay shipping prices, which I absolutely get. If I can get free shipping or something, I'm gonna try to get it. And also another thing is that right now they released the February collection, and it's $2 cheaper until the first day of February. So always follow them on Instagram to make sure that if you really like a collection, you can get it for a few dollars less. And I'm going to come back later and add some sticker dots that I found in my stash. Well, I didn't found them. I had them already, and then I kind of completely forgot to add them. And I figured that they would be perfect for the layout, so I ended up going back and adding stuff to it. These beautiful rose gold alphas are from Citrus Twist Kits, and instead of using the title week number 52 or 51, I'm just gonna write December. And I thought that this washi tape with the snowflakes was perfect, and I think that's an old Simple Stories washi tape from one of their snow collections. It just went very well with this kit. This is my husband just throwing a snowball to my daughter, which we hate playing in the snow with him because he has aim and he throws hard, and we all suck at throwing. Like when it comes to aim and, you know, strength, we all have weak nerd arms, as my daughters like to say it. So we just get destroyed. I'm going to add the title that says Snow Day. I used a lawn fawn die that cut this photo in a circle, and it has like a stitch line inside. I'm pretty sure that maybe you can see it right there. It's a lot evident in person. So then I came back to this die that says Snow Day, and I decided to use it. And I wanted to add more of those stars. That little stick that I have in my hand is called a quick pick, and it's from the Silhouette. It's from Silhouette. It's just to pick up smaller die cuts that can be hard to grab, and then you can add glue to them. And I added more little heart stickers. I'm gonna keep working on this one. And I'm So Freaking Cold vibes, that's also from the kit. And the paper that I use in the background. So the kit comes with journaling cards, paper, digital stamps, and ephemera. And oh my god, for the February digital stamps, I'm so freaking excited. I use my foil quill, and I can't wait to show you what I did because I love it. I'm like, I'm gonna do this all the time now. Turned out super cool. And these fabric phrases are also from the Studio Calico kit. And I always like to layer with a little washi and stickers. And I added a staple. It's just to like, I feel like it makes the texture pop whenever you add like a staple to a puffy or something that is fabric. And I love these little layered clusters of, either little word stickers or just plain words. They're really fun. And here's where I come back with those dots. And these are old. These were in my stash for a few years. And the colors were so perfect for this kit that I decided to add them. And here I'm coming back to add. And I like to cut them in half, so I can put them in different parts of the layout. And I'm just going to hide it behind some of the dies. And now it looks, I don't know, it's a little detail. It's so simple, but to me it looks so cute. And now I'm going to overdo it, and I'm going to keep those outside where I can see them, and whenever I can use them, I will. They're super cute. And this kit also has some 2003 goals, stuff like that you can add to the beginning of your 2023 album. I am not even looking there. I feel like I behind on everything. And this is the final result. This is just a 12 by 12. It's a single because it's, as I said, the last page. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.